Welcome to our video on the amazing transformation of thread lift results. In this video, we will showcase real-life examples of individuals who have undergone thread lift procedures and the remarkable before and after results. Thread lift is a minimally invasive cosmetic treatment that can provide a natural, youthful appearance without the need for surgery. Get ready to witness the power of thread lift in enhancing facial features and restoring a fresher, more rejuvenated look. Before embarking on their thread lift journey, individuals schedule a consultation with a qualified aesthetic practitioner. During this initial phase, the practitioner evaluates the patient's concerns, discusses the desired outcomes, and determines if they are a suitable candidate for the procedure. This footage captures the anticipation and excitement as individuals plan for their upcoming transformation. Thread lift procedures typically start with the application of a local anesthetic to ensure a comfortable experience for the patient. The aesthetic practitioner then strategically places tiny dissolvable threads underneath the skin, which gently lift and tighten targeted areas. This segment of the video showcases the procedure process, highlighting the precision and skill required to achieve optimal results. Once the thread lift procedure is complete, individuals can immediately observe the initial changes in their appearance. This segment of the video focuses on capturing the reactions and emotions of the patients as they see the immediate aftermath of their thread lift. Excitement, joy, and newfound confidence fill the air as the transformation begins to unfold. Following the thread lift procedure, individuals may experience minor swelling or bruising, which is part of the normal healing process. In this section, we showcase the recovery and progress of the patients. Through a series of footage, we document the timeline of their healing journey, illustrating how the thread lift brings gradual improvement and a more refined look over time. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal of the amazing transformation. This final segment of the video unveils the before and after thread lift results of the featured individuals. Prepare to be astounded by the visible differences in facial contouring, skin tightening, and overall rejuvenation achieved through thread lift. Witness the enhanced beauty and renewed confidence as these individuals shine forward. In conclusion, thread lift procedures offer a remarkable solution for those seeking a non-invasive way to improve their facial appearance. Through this video, we have witnessed the incredible transformation achieved by individuals who embraced the power of thread lift. If you are considering a thread lift, we encourage you to consult with a qualified practitioner who can guide you on this transformative journey. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more inspiring stories of beauty and transformation.